In this lesson, I want to show you how to move things around. Let's say you want to rearrange your page. Let's go back to Helix here again, and let's go to the layout builder. As with the Helix here, you can be able to move sections around, or you can move items within a row. You can do that. It's very simple to do, drag and drop. It is the same principle with Page Builder. So let's say you wanted to move something. You just have to click on this little icon over here, or whatever you see, and I can move that up. So now that's in that position. Let's say, I don't like how that looks. Let me move this up this way. So you can easily rearrange your page in seconds, not weeks. When I first started creating a website with Joomla, all this it was really a hassle to do this. You had to, go to the modules and move this. You had to do some CSS work. So it was a lot of pain. But they have really solved this problem for you, that if you want to rearrange your page, and I recommend you do this, as you're working on your website, you want to try out different combinations. Sometimes for testing purposes, so maybe you're doing A and B split testing, you want to be able to move one thing from here to the next and just kind of see how that looks. And you're going to be surprised visually that just by moving certain things around, it gives your website a facelift, a whole new look. See, we just created a new layout like this. So you can imagine how easy it is for you to move things all over. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. So we'll do this. We can move this here. So I'm just going to create just a simple layout just from moving things around and trying to see how this looks. So I don't like how that look. I'm going to move it up to give it a different look. So you can rearrange it any way that you want, just like that. And it's very simple to get it done.